Want faster access to your favorite shortcuts on your iPhone 17? You can add them directly to the control center so you can run them anytime with just a tap. Here's how to set it up. First, open the control center by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. Touch and hold on an empty area until the controls enter edit mode. Then tap Add a Control or the plus icon at the top left corner. Then tap Add a Control at the bottom. Scroll down to the Shortcuts section, then tap Shortcut. A faster method is using the search button and searching for shortcuts instead. This will take you straight to the Shortcuts section. Here, tap Choose beside the shortcut option. You'll see a list of all your available shortcuts. Select the one you want to add. Let's choose the Wi-Fi QR code to proceed with this guide. Once selected, tap on an empty space to place the new control. Then tap anywhere outside to exit edit mode. Your shortcut is now ready to run straight from the control center. You can also rearrange or resize the shortcut icon. Just go back into edit mode and drag or adjust the handle beneath the icon as needed. To add more shortcuts, simply repeat the same steps. If you want to remove a shortcut, enter edit mode again, then tap the minus icon on the shortcut you want to delete. The shortcut will be removed from the control center but will remain available in the Shortcuts app. And that's it. If this tip helped speed up your workflow, give it a like and check out more iPhone tricks to boost your productivity. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more quick tech tutorials you can use every day.